Looking for how to fix Samsung messages keeps crashing problem. In this video I show you how to fix Samsung messages keeps crashing problem. For solving this problem, go to Galaxy Store, search for Samsung messages, tap on Samsung messages, update if available any update version for this app. Now go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for messages. Now tap on messages, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now tap on force stop. Okay. Now open messages app. Not now. Now I hope that this method fix Samsung messages keeps crashing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thomas Guide.